Hi, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can work with multiple worksheets. Every workbook contains at least one worksheet by default. When working with a large amount of data, you can create multiple worksheets to help organize your workbook and make it easier to find content. You can also group worksheets to quickly add information to multiple worksheets at the same time. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert, copy, move, or rename a worksheet. So don't go away and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
First, we are going to learn how to insert a worksheet. To insert a new worksheet, we have to locate and select the New Sheet button near the bottom right corner of this Excel window. A new blank worksheet will appear. So in this way, a new worksheet will be inserted. Now we will learn how we can copy a worksheet. If you need to duplicate the content of one worksheet to another, Excel allows you to copy an existing worksheet. We have to right-click the worksheet that we want to copy and then select Move or Copy from the Worksheet menu. The Move or Copy dialog box will appear. Here we can choose where we want to move this worksheet. In our example, I will choose the Move to End. Then I will check the box next to Create a Copy and then press OK. The worksheet will be copied. It will have the same title as the original worksheet as well as a version number. In our example, we have copied the sheet 1, so this is showing the second copy of the sheet 1. Now we are going to learn how to rename a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, we have to right-click the worksheet that we want to rename and then select Rename from the Worksheet menu. In our example, I am going to write Sales 2023. Then I will click anywhere outside the worksheet tab or press Enter from the keyboard. The worksheet will be renamed. Now we will learn how to move a worksheet. For this purpose, we have to click and drag the worksheet that we want to move until a small black arrow appears above the desired location. And then release the mouse button. The worksheet will be moved. Now we are going to learn how we can change the worksheet tab color. For this purpose, I will right-click the desired worksheet tab and hover the mouse over the color tab. The color menu will appear. I will select the color. The worksheet tab color will be changed. The worksheet tab color is considerably less noticeable when the worksheet is selected. Select another worksheet so that you can see the original color of the worksheet. Now we are going to learn how we can delete a worksheet. For this purpose, we have to right-click the worksheet that we want to delete and then select the Delete from the Worksheet menu. Excel will ask me that I want to delete this sheet because this will be a permanent deletion. So I will click Delete and the worksheet will be deleted. Now the last thing, how we can switch between worksheets. If you want to view a different worksheet, you can simply click the tab to switch between different worksheets. However, with large workbooks, this can sometimes become difficult as it requires scrolling through all the tabs to find the one that you want. Instead, you can simply right-click the scroll arrows in the lower left corner as shown below. A dialog box will appear with a list of all the worksheets in your workbook. You can then double-click the sheet that you want to jump to. I hope you would have understand all the concept. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Excel tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.